The Balfour Declaration, the Israel-Palestine Conflict Chronicles. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into the Balfour Declaration, a document that not only shapes the destiny of nations but also influences the geopolitical dynamics in the Middle East. Before we dive into the details, let me pose a thought-provoking question. What if a single declaration in 1917 could set in motion a series of events that would define the course of the Israel-Palestine conflict? In this video, we'll dissect the Balfour Declaration, exploring its essence, the reasons behind its occurrence, the criticisms it faced, and the enduring impact it has had. Now, let's uncover the origins of the Balfour Declaration. Chapter 1, Balfour Declaration Unveiled. In 1917, the world was at war. The British government faced war challenges while the Ottoman Empire neared collapse, causing a lack of control in the Middle East. Amid the turmoil, the British government stands at a crossroads. The Ottoman Empire's collapse created opportunities for British expansion, especially around the strategically vital Suez Canal. The Balfour Declaration is not just a diplomatic gesture but a calculated move in the complex puzzle of wartime geopolitical strategy. The 1917 Balfour Declaration by the British government during World War I expressed support for establishing a home for the Jewish people in Palestine. A letter from the UK's Foreign Secretary, Arthur Balfour, to British Jewish leader Lord Rothschild played a significant role in the establishment of a Jewish national home in Palestine. With backing from major Allied powers, it became an integral part of British rule over Palestine, officially approved by the League of Nations in 1922, endorsing the British mandate for Palestine. The mandate system was established to administer and supervise the transition of territories formerly controlled by the Ottoman Empire and the German Empire. It aimed to prepare these territories for self-government under the principle of the tutelage of the advanced nations. However, it also ignited conflicts among the British, Jews, and Arabs, resulting in ongoing regional issues. Chapter 2, Reasons behind the Balfour Declaration. Emerging in 1917, the Balfour Declaration had various motives. The collapse of the Ottoman Empire allowed Britain to expand in the Middle East, particularly around the Suez Canal. During World War I, British proponents of a Jewish homeland worked to garner support for the Jewish cause. Simultaneously, they sought backing from the Allies. Some British leaders, influenced by historical perspectives, saw merit in bringing the Jewish people back to their ancestral home. Supporting the Zionist cause was also seen as a way to secure backing from the influential Jewish community, especially in the United States. Beyond politics, considerations of valuable resources like oil played a role in the decision. As we delve into the reasons behind the Balfour Declaration, it's crucial to understand the criticisms it faced. Chapter 3, Criticisms of the Balfour Declaration. The Balfour Declaration faced criticism, particularly from the Arab world, viewing it as a betrayal of promises made during the McMahon-Hussein correspondence in 1915 and the Sykes-Picot Agreement in 1916. These agreements had assured Arab independence in exchange for support against the Ottoman Empire during World War I. Accusations arose about not consulting local Arabs, leading to claims that their rights were ignored. Critics argued that it prioritized British interests and support from the influential Jewish community over the desires of the people in Palestine. Additionally, it's worth noting that opinions within the Jewish community itself varied regarding the Balfour Declaration. Some contended that it violated the principle that residents should determine their future, promising a home for the Jewish people in a predominantly Arab region. These criticisms highlight the complexity of the Balfour Declaration. Chapter 4, Impact of the Balfour Declaration. The Balfour Declaration had a profound impact, leading to the establishment of Israel in 1948 and the 1948 Nakba, which resulted in the displacement of over 750,000 Palestinians. Moreover, since the Balfour Declaration, several wars have defined the Israel-Palestine conflict. The 1948 Arab-Israeli War erupted with the establishment of Israel, and the Six-Day War in 1967 saw Israel facing off against Egypt, Jordan, and Syria. In 1973, the Yom Kippur War brought a surprise attack by Egypt and Syria, while the First Intifada in 1987 marked a Palestinian uprising against Israeli rule. This sequence of conflicts has contributed to the ongoing Israeli-Palestinian conflict, which stands as one of the most challenging conflicts globally. Chapter 5, Pathways to Peace, From Balfour to Oslo. Since the Balfour Declaration, various initiatives have sought to mediate the Israel-Palestine conflict. The 1936 Peel Commission proposed a partition, and the UN Resolution 181 in 1947 recommended a similar division, leading to the establishment of Israel and the Arab-Israeli War. The 1991 Madrid Peace Conference paved the way for the 1993 Oslo Accords, a crucial milestone advocating for a two-state solution between Israel and the Palestine Liberation Organization, PLO. Despite the optimism, escalating violence, the assassination of Prime Minister Yitzhak Rabin, and the breakdown of the Oslo Accords in 1995 led to the Second Intifada in 2000, complicating the quest for resolution. The Balfour Declaration highlights the profound impact of geopolitical decisions on conflicts. It emphasizes the need for careful consideration, cultural awareness, and respect for local perspectives in crafting policies. Ignoring these factors can lead to deep-seated grievances and prolonged conflicts. The key lesson is that achieving lasting peace requires a balance between geopolitical strategies and a genuine commitment to addressing the root causes of disputes. Thank you for watching, and until next time.